Hello guys, welcome once again. So today I'm talking about the Lovable Premium, or the LinkedIn Premium offer with Lovable Credit. For example, with this LinkedIn Premium offer, so you can get 1 hour free Lovable Light Plan and this credit and daily 5 credits. You can see. So we need to know how to claim this offer. So you can see this offer available for US, UK, Canada and Australia, but no problem, if you are from outside of this country you can easily claim this offer. And for this you don't need to 30 days expire, your trial period. For example, if I show you another country, let me show you. You can see this country, you can see this account. From here we can see here is clearly Lovable 1 month, Paid Space 4 month, Notion 3 month, and the NordVPN is 3 months offer. Okay, so how to claim this offer without before 1 month? But if you just make premium any new LinkedIn account, then you cannot claim this offer in before 1 month. But I have a special trick how to claim this offer before 1 month. Okay, so first of all we need to premium this account. So I'm just pause my video for upgrade this account to premium. So let's just wait some moment. Okay, so I just added my card and you can see this is the premium. So let's go the premium business. You can see the date and you can just showing this for live. So this is, you can see the time, date, and you can see the ID, which ID I'm just making this. So continue. Okay, done. So I can see the premium feature from here. Let's see premium feature. Okay, so we need to go the offer page. So you can search on Google Lovable and LinkedIn offer. So go this site and redeem on LinkedIn. Okay, so here is the account. You can see the Lovable plan and the Notion business plan. So right now I have 3 accounts ready. This is one account and I'm showing you another account. This is the 2 account. Here you can see the number 2 account, and we have another account, but is it on my another computer, so I cannot see the another account. So how can we redeem this link? Okay, so if we just redeem 1 year Lovable free, so it give us a reward link. You can just copy the link and you can just claim on your Lovable. Okay, also you can claim the Notion 3 month and the NordVPN, and if you have some trick, then you can claim the YouTube Premium 3 months family. Okay, so if you have any problem to claim this kind of account, or if you wanna buy this kind of account, you can just ping to our Telegram channel. Okay, thank you, have a good day, bye bye.